Beware, because the Russian cyber spies are running an espionage campaign, and they're coming after you. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. FBI and the US cybersecurity have made a joint public service announcement last week, saying Russian intelligence services affiliated threat actors are actively targeting commercial messaging applications. They specifically mentioned Signal, but stressed that other apps are most likely targeted as well. The victims are mostly current and former US government officials, military personnel, political figures, and journalists. The campaign doesn't revolve around breaking the apps by abusing vulnerabilities, but it's based on phishing and social engineering, where the victims end up sharing access willingly. They do so by sending phishing messages disguising as automated CMA support accounts. They send messages to deceive targets into taking an action, such as clicking a link or providing verification codes or account pins. If the user performs any of the requested actions, they get access to their account either by adding the attacker's device as a linked device or through a full account takeover. Roughly 2 weeks ago, Dutch authorities published a similar warning, saying that Russian spies were targeting not only Signal, but WhatsApp as well. The Netherlands' primary civilian intelligence and security agency, AIVD, said at the time that the campaign was global and targeted dignitaries, military personnel, and civil servants, including Dutch government employees. AIVD believes the campaign's already a success, saying the Russian hackers likely gain access to sensitive information through this campaign. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.